Motorhomes and millionaires have always been connected by one idea that goes deeper than luxury: freedom without compromise. When money stops being the main limitation, priorities shift. Control becomes more valuable than comfort alone. Control over time, over movement, over where the road ends and where the day begins. And this Expedition motorhome is built precisely for that mindset. At first glance, the exterior already tells a clear story. Finished in a warm sand-toned body with subtle bronze accents, this motorhome looks purposeful rather than flashy. It doesn't rely on aggressive styling or exaggerated features. Instead, it feels calm, confident, and engineered for real travel. The tall stance, heavy-duty wheels, and extended body length suggest long-range capability, the kind designed to cross borders, not just campsites. Everything about the exterior feels balanced and intentional, from the integrated storage compartments to the clean roofline that supports expedition equipment without looking cluttered. This is a vehicle designed to live on the road for extended periods, not a weekend escape toy. Underneath the body, the engineering supports that philosophy. A reinforced chassis, advanced suspension, and drivetrain systems built to handle uneven terrain, long highway stretches, and unpredictable conditions. Whether it's smooth pavement, remote forest roads, or rugged ground far from infrastructure, this motorhome is designed to stay stable, composed, and predictable. Stepping inside, the atmosphere shifts immediately. The interior feels bright, calm, and welcoming. Instead of dark tactical tones or cold industrial styling, the design leans into warmth and balance. Sand beige, soft cream, and muted bronze accents work together to create a space that feels modern but relaxed. The cockpit reflects that same philosophy. Two forward-facing captain seats are positioned naturally toward the steering wheel, offering clear visibility and an ergonomic driving position. The dashboard is clean and uncluttered, with soft-touch surfaces and subtle bronze trim that adds refinement without distraction. Controls are placed where you expect them to be, and the overall layout feels familiar, trustworthy, and easy to adapt to. Long hours behind the wheel don't feel intimidating here. Instead, the cockpit feels like a calm command center designed to reduce fatigue and increase confidence over long distances. Behind the cockpit, the living space opens up into a compact yet thoughtfully arranged lounge. This area avoids unnecessary bulk and oversized furniture. A straight sofa runs along one wall, leaving the floor space open and easy to move through. Nothing blocks the walkway, and nothing feels forced into the layout. A single table sits at the center, fixed securely to the floor for stability. On it, a small ceramic vase with a simple plant adds just enough warmth to make the space feel human without cluttering it. Soft indirect lighting runs along the ceiling and beneath the seating, creating a cozy atmosphere in the evenings. This is the kind of space where you can unwind after a long day of travel, sit comfortably, read, or simply enjoy the quiet. It doesn't try to impress, it tries to work. And that's what makes it feel right. The kitchen and dining area continues this same approach. Everything is arranged along a single wall to keep the interior open and efficient. The cabinetry is finished in a light sand tone that reflects light and keeps the space feeling airy. The countertop is durable and practical, designed for real cooking rather than show. A compact induction cooktop and deep sink provide everything needed for daily meals, while lockable cabinets ensure nothing shifts during travel. Integrated into the kitchen wall is a fold-down dining shelf. It's compact, smart, and perfectly sized for the space. Two upholstered stools sit neatly beneath it, ready to be pulled out when needed and tucked away afterward. A ceramic mug and small bowl rest on the dining surface, adding realism without excess. This setup reinforces the idea that every element here has a purpose. Nothing more, nothing less. Storage plays a major role throughout the interior. Instead of decorative cabinets, the design integrates practical storage zones that keep the motorhome organized during long journeys. Tall cabinets, overhead compartments, and reinforced drawers provide space for supplies, gear, and personal belongings. Everything feels secure, accessible, and thoughtfully placed. This kind of storage design is what allows extended travel to remain comfortable rather than chaotic. One of the most distinctive features of this motorhome is the separate dressing area. Designed as a walk-through space, it includes full-height wardrobes on one side and open shelving with a backlit mirror on the other. Clothes are neatly stored, Shoes have a dedicated compartment, and lighting inside the wardrobes makes everything easy to find. The materials and colors match the rest of the interior, maintaining a cohesive visual flow. It's compact, efficient, and far more practical than oversized closets that waste space. The private office cabin adds another layer of versatility. This is a quiet, enclosed space designed for planning, writing, or remote work. A wall-mounted desk supports a single laptop, notebook, and coffee mug. Open shelves keep essentials within reach, while warm lighting creates a focused yet relaxed environment. It's not a corporate office. It's a personal command space where routes are planned, emails are answered, and decisions are made calmly. The bedroom is designed as a true retreat. The bed is fixed and centered, flanked by two bedside tables that provide symmetry and function. One holds a warm bedside lamp, while the other features a small ceramic vase. Upholstered wall panels soften the space, and underbed lighting creates a subtle floating effect that makes the room feel more open. Black-tinted windows are paired with light curtains, ensuring privacy without making the room feel closed off. The ceiling lighting is integrated cleanly, with no skylights or distractions, reinforcing a sense of enclosure and rest. The bathroom continues the theme of brightness and practicality. Finished in light stone textures and soft neutral tones, it feels clean and fresh without becoming clinical. A wall-mounted toilet, compact sink, mirrored wall, and enclosed shower are arranged efficiently to maximize space. The lighting is diffused and warm, making the bathroom comfortable to use at any time of day. It's easy to maintain, easy to clean, and designed for daily use. Exactly what an expedition motorhome requires. Everything about this motorhome feels intentional. Nothing is included just to impress visually. Every decision supports long-term comfort, reliability, and real-world use. That's what separates serious expedition motorhomes from concept builds that only look good on display. When it comes to pricing, vehicles like this operate in a premium category. Pricing typically reaches well into the high six figures and can exceed that depending on configuration. But for the people drawn to a motorhome like this, the value isn't measured by numbers alone, that it's measured in independence, in confidence, in the ability to travel far beyond familiar roads and still feel completely at home. So here's the real question. If you had the freedom to take your home anywhere, across deserts, through mountains, and deep into remote landscapes, would you choose an expedition motorhome like this? Let me know in the comments. Subscribe for more expedition and luxury motorhome content, and I'll see you in the next one.